Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Android ticket calculator app, and then here will be an example. So if I click the number of tickets, the soft keyboard showed up. Assume I pick 3 tickets, and then ask the keyboard to go down. And then assume I pick the tennis from the spinner over here, or if you want to call it the drop-down list, is really up to you. Then I click the compute cost, and it will show me the total amount of cost for 3 tickets. As you can see that I assume the ticket, each ticket is only $9.99, just to keep it simple, that's all. All right, so basically that is what I'm trying to show you today. I hope that it will be useful to you. In the meantime, the whole process to create the app, it might take quite a while to get it done. So I will focus on the design of the GUI part first, and then the coding will come next. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let me fire up my Android Studio, and also this will be the let me see, yeah, the GUI. The GUI I'm going to create. So let me close the project, create a new one. I will use the empty activity first, and let me call it ticket calculator. Ticket calculator. You can name whatever name you like, really doesn't matter. I will be using Java. I'll be using Java, and I click finish. And the software will create the template code for us, and also the layout file, which will be this one, activity underscore main.xml file. And then this will be the layout. This will be the layout. If you want to see the blueprint, you can pick both of them if you want. And then for me, I will just use the design layout, will be fine. And then let me minimize the window, all right. And you can see that under this software, it comes with the TextView. Feel free to use it, or if you want to delete it, feel free to do so. I will just delete it, And then I'm going to drag and drop an instance of the TextView, and then put it over the center. And if I remember correctly, I remember I set up the text view to be the size of, let me check, it is about 28 SP, scalable pixel, so put 28 SP. And also the constraints to the top of the screen, I think that I believe I set it to 28. If you want to fine tune it, you can just move it up under the layout, the layout here, option here, and then put the proper value, or whatever value you feel comfortable. So let me put 40. And you can see that the text content, or caption, whatever you want to call it, is ticket calculator. As of now, it is text view. And of course, you can change the content under the common attribute, but then it is better that you get the value from the string variable, or an ID in the strings .xml file. So let's try to do that. So I'm going to expand the resource, and then expand the values folder, and then you can see that my strings.xml is there. So let me just click that one, and by default there is a default key with the name app underscore name with the value ticket calculator. But then we can change this one. So let me change this one for a sec, and then Okay, and then change the T, okay, capital T, lowercase t to capital T. So you can create a key and value here, but you can also use the open editor, the option over here to open an editor and then and press the or click the plus sign to create another key. So let me create a key, okay, called text title. And okay, I'm going to put the value there, okay, such as ticket calculator, ticket, okay, calculator. You can see that I'm not very good at typing, okay. So let me click OK. And how do you use it? So you can switch back to the activity view. And then for this one, okay, it's similar to our example here. Then under the text attribute, okay, you can delete it and then use the add key, okay, add key to get the value, okay, you set up, okay, in the strings, the XML file. So this is the one we used a moment ago. So let me select it, double click it. Okay. Oh, I need to press the enter key, my bad. And there you go. Okay, so it shows up, okay, like that. Okay, and then, oh, I just realized that the text size is 40. Okay, my bad. Okay, yeah. Okay, 40, yeah, it's 40. Okay, 40 SP. Okay. No wonder I feel that the text is kind of a little bit small. Ooh, got wrong. Okay, did not type it right. Let me try it again. All right. Okay, so that is the text calculator. Okay, and then okay, I will also need to set up the prompt sign. Get the prompt sign for the number of tickets, and also set up a string array for the for the group over here, and then also the description for the computer cost button, and then also some sample value over here. Okay, so again, to save you time, by watching this video, okay, I will just copy some values there. Okay, otherwise it would take quite a long time to complete all the key value settings. So let me just quickly copy something here. Okay. All right. And then let me just paste all the value there. All right. Okay. So again, the purpose is just to save time. And then you can see that I got a duplicate here. So let me just remove the duplicate. And also, I want to show you how to create a string array because we want to use the we want to let the spinner to get the value from here. Okay, so let me try this. Get string array and then pick a name. Let me call it text group. And then inside I will put the item, and then maybe first one will be called a football. You can pick whatever name you like, then you can copy and paste, and maybe tennis. Next one will be tennis, and then next one can be basketball. All right, so we have all those IDs and values set up already. So let me switch back to the layout file. There you go. Okay, so you can see that we have the ID set up, and next one will be the edit text control. So let me just select text in the palette, and you can see that there are many options over there. But the one we want to use will be for the numerical value, signed number, signed number. So let me drag and drop one instance over there. Okay, there you go. And let me check my sample here. Okay, So the distance from the top of my EditText to the button of the text view over here, okay, it is, I put it to 16 dp, density pixel. So let me drag this anchor to connect to the text view. Okay, there you go. So let me double check who is not there. So let me give myself more room. Okay, yeah, now it should be fine. Yeah, so in the meantime, you can make the adjustment here, 16, okay, all good. And also, okay, let me see. I will use the hint. Okay, so you can give user a hint. Okay, so let me use the property hint. There you go. Hint is here. And then let me use the value. I set it up in the strings.xml file. And then you can see that the one I set it up will be for the hint over here is like select a sport. Select a sport. Yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry. My bad. It is text ticket. Okay. So it is this one. My bad. Okay. And click OK. Okay. So it kind of prompt the user to. Oh, I picked the wrong one. Enter. Okay. Kind of enter the number of tickets. So let me try it again. Okay. So let me scroll it up. Okay. This one, okay, my bad. All right, okay, and then again, next one will be the spinner. Okay, so let me go to the container. Okay, and then move up the scroll bar. Okay, so the first one is the spinner. So let me drag and drop an instance of the spinner over here. And then a moment ago, I learned that it's hard to connect the top of the constraint to the button of the editor text over here. So it's better to give myself some room. Okay, so let me click and then drag and drop, and then it's connected. And then again, I will set the distance to just 16. Okay, you can always make the changes later on if you want to. Okay. And also, if you want to give yourself a little bit height, so you can drag the resize control and then drag it down, so it will be wider. And then for the spinner, you would like to populate the data from the array over here, the array over here. So let me switch back to the design view. And then while the spinner is selected, let's pick the entries property. Let me see. Give me a minute. Entry, there you go. Okay, is this one, entry, and then click on it, and then it will show you that we have one setup, which is the text group. So select that one. There you go. Okay, so you will later on when the app is running, you will populate the three kind of sports. We set it up over here. Okay, so let me switch back. Okay, so far so good. Seems to me. Okay. All right, next one will be the button. Okay, so let me go back to the buttons here. Just drag and drop one over there. Okay, drag and drop one over there. And then let me hook it up on the top to the spinner. And then again, let me just set it to 16 for the moment. Again, you can always make the adjustment later. And then the caption or the text on the button, I will get it from the strings.xml file, which is this one, button course, computer course. There you go. And also the text size, text size. Let me do a quick check-in. The text size, I set it up. It is 30 SP. So let me put 30 SP there. Not bad, not bad. Okay, we are getting closer. And then next one, okay, will be the text view. Okay, so let me drag and drop an instance of text view over there. And then let me hook it up. Okay, hook it up. And again, I will set the size, okay, just roughly about 16 again. Okay. And then the text, okay, size. Okay, so let me check what text size, okay, I use. 22. Okay, so this one will be 22. Okay, 22. Okay, 22 SP. And then, okay, the content, okay, you want to delete it first. Okay, however, you would like to, okay, have an idea that, okay, when the app, okay, filled with information there, what it might look like. So that's why, okay, you want to use this tool text, okay, option here. So, okay, I want to see, okay, something like, well, the amount of calls, okay, will be, okay, let's say something like a cost for tennis is kind of $9.99. So I can type something like this, just to give you myself an idea about, okay, how much, what the length, okay, of the text string might look like. Okay. But when the app first time got executed, okay, the content over here won't show up. All right, next one, okay, I need an image. Okay, so I hadn't prepared an image and put it in the drawable, okay, folder yet. So I will get one, okay, from my file explorer. Okay, so I will use this one, okay, tennis court. Oh, I got a typo there. Anyway, let me just rename it, okay, tennis court. Yeah, all right. So now it should be fine. Let me copy, okay, select and copy. Let me set this one aside. And then select the drawable, okay, and then click, right click the mouse button and pick paste. Give me a minute, there you go. So you will ask me, okay, whether I want to set it up, okay, for the operating system version 24 or not. Okay, most of the time, my student make mistake like this. Okay, so don't do it. Okay, so pick the drawable. Okay, pick the drawable, and click OK. I will also ask you for the name. Okay, Android is kind of pretty, in my point of view, pretty picky. Okay, so if you use uppercase later, okay, then okay, you will picture won't show up, okay, while it's running. Okay, when you set it up, okay, on the image view here, okay, so let me show you an image view here. It will display, okay, the image, okay, but then when the app is running, it won't show up. Okay, so okay, always again, okay, use lowercase letters. Okay, all right, okay, and then click project, click tennis court, get to, and click OK. So the image is kind of off a little bit, no big deal. Just make a little bit, okay, an adjustment. Okay, ooh, let me see. Yeah, and then okay, the image again is really, really long. Okay, so I might have to, okay, make the changes here, the resize, okay, option here. Okay, so let me resize it. Again, okay, you can always make the constraint adjustment later. Okay, yeah, and then okay, to the top, okay, it is 44, and maybe okay, I want to bound it to the button as well. All right, so basically this will be what the layout might look like. So let me quickly do a test. Okay, so let me put my emulator, okay, on the side here. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, on the side here, and let me run the app. Okay, hopefully okay, everything will look fine. Okay, so it is installing the software. So let's just wait for a few seconds. All right, okay, so you can see that not bad, not bad. Okay, so it's okay. And then if we click the number of ticket, okay, so it shows up, okay, as well. Okay, and then also if we click the spinner, okay, so it will show, okay, the number of spots, okay, we pick over there. Okay, and then okay, let me put the keyboard down. And it seems to me that the image might be a little bit off. Okay, so I might want to make a little bit of adjustment over here. Maybe just put it up a little bit, 20 SP. And also the spinner, okay, I forgot to use the property, okay, prompt. Okay, so let me set it up. Okay, prompt. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, all right. Okay, prompt is here. Okay, so again, okay, you can use the add key. Okay, and then to pick whatever string ID you want to use. Okay, so I want to use this one. Okay, press the enter key. And then also the text size. Okay, I think a moment ago I missed it. Okay, so the edit box text size, okay, is 32 okay, SP. So let me set it up. Yeah, yes, this should be larger, okay, or bigger. All right, okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, so let me run it again. Okay. All right, so basically the GUI part is kind of done, right? Okay, you can see that for some reason the prompt sign hadn't been used. Yeah, anyway, I will check on it later. Okay. Yeah, let me see the prompt. Okay, should be the. Let me see. Let me see. Give me a minute. Yeah, that's correct. I don't know why it's not displaying. Okay, it's okay. All right, and then okay, if I click the computer course, nothing's going to happen. Okay, which is correct. And again, you can see that the text view here. Okay, it should if we have some information here, it will display over here. But as of now, the content is blank. Okay, so there's no information will be displayed. Next one will be the image. Again, okay, I might also need to set it to closer, okay, there, closer to the text view here, okay, yeah. And then let me run it again. All right, okay, again, okay, we'll fix some other things later. So far so good. Okay, so I will stop the video. Okay, right now it's kind of long. Okay, for part 1 already. So let me stop the video. Okay.